Let's go, guys. Time to get some good work in. We got Tabata abs, so grab that mat, grab that water, and let's get to work. What's going on, guys? Let's get ready. We're going to start with our squat to crunch, bringing our opposite knee towards our opposite elbow and squeezing those abs nice and tight. Awesome work. We're halfway there. Drop those hips and bring those knees up nice and high. Perfect. Our next one is our 3 floor jacks to a plank and back into that push-up position for 3 more floor jacks. Great work. Halfway there. Keep that core nice and tight and breathe. Way to work, guys. We're just going to hold that plank here nice and steady. Keep the core nice and tight and breathe it through. Great work, guys. Make sure you don't let that butt drop too low. Keep that core nice and tight and breathe. Awesome work. Next one, we're on the elbows and we're bringing those knees in and out in a bicycle position. Remember to keep the abs tight by bringing the belly button in towards the floor. Awesome job, guys. Our next one, we're going right to left, left to right, and then both hands towards both feet for a V-up. Halfway there, guys. Try to reach up and touch those ankles or toes. Awesome job, guys. I know that one was hard. Our next one should be a little bit easier for our side crunch. Keep one arm flat and try to bring the elbow towards the knees. Halfway there, guys. Nice and easy side crunch. Keep that core nice and tight. Great job, guys. Shake it out. All we're going to do is switch to the other side and perform our side crunch. Halfway there, guys. You may feel one side is stronger than the other, but keep pushing. You're almost there. Great work, guys. Our next one is our leg circle. So hands in a diamond shape under the butt or back and bring those feet in a big circle. Way to work, guys. Keep pushing here. Way to work it. Our next one, we're going to flip it over in push-up position and go for those big mountain climbers. Let's get that heart rate up a little bit. Halfway there, guys. Keep breathing and drive those knees in towards the chest. Awesome. Next one, we're going right to left 3 times, and then we're going to go in between the legs 3 times. go. And in between the legs 3 times, and then going right back to it. Awesome job, guys. This is your final exercise. We're doing a leg raise with a hip thrust. So kick those feet up towards the ceiling and bring them back down nice and controlled. Halfway there, guys. Finish this strong. You're doing awesome. 3, 2, 1, and time. Awesome work, guys. If you want, play it again, and let's burn some more calories. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, and most importantly, subscribe so you can see all future videos. I'll see you next time.